Hello, I would like to demonstrate a way to split a text so each part of splitted text will be also text. Sometimes we need to split text which begins with zeros, for instance 001-002, and you want to get this 00 leading 0 without deleting them so that it will be remained as text. Or if you have data similar to date but it is not date, and you don't want Google Spreadsheet to force split to convert this into date. Let's see the easy way to do that. Here it is. Here is my sample, and first of all it is converted into named function. If you want to use this named function, please copy sample file, it will be in the description. And here is how it was made. Basically, I have some rare char. It's char 9999. This is some really rare char which will not be present on your text, hopefully. And then you just split the text with this char. And if you prepend this char, in my case char x, I call it char x in my lambda function. If you prepend it, and I prepend it with my data, and next I used substitute to substitute delimiter with this char and delimiter, and also I prepend it before the text, so it goes twice. And then I just use index and I split it. But after split I also substitute to get this char out of my text, so I will get the original text. Let's compare. Let's do something like this. You see, this is a text and this one is text. But if I split it with the usual split function, let me show you. Split, tab, this with comma, and it will be with happen. So now visually it looks just the same as this, but if I go into this cell, I will see its date is date 25/20/2022, because now it's the year 2022, but it is not what I wanted, because this is only 2 and this /5, not this year. There is no year in this cell, so I want to create split by text, or this like named function, so you can reuse it later.